Hello everyone and welcome back to my kitchen. As the title of this video states, I have a collaboration invitation for all YouTubers who invite visitors to their kitchen through YouTube. If that is you, then stay tuned. In the background here now, I just have a quick little video on just the preparation that we did for Christmas dinner 2021, and I'm leaving that run in the background while I explain to you my idea. I'm inviting all interested YouTubers to film a video titled A March Day in the Life of My Kitchen, and if you can upload it anytime on Friday the 25th of March. If you want, you can email me on fionainherkitchen@gmail.com. I will put that in the description box as well, and send me the details of your channel and tell me if you're interested, and I will put a list together in the description box of my video on the day, and I can email all collaborators also the list to put in their description box, and I could put together a playlist to attach to the video as well. I think it'll be really interesting to see what goes on in everyone's kitchens on a full day. Just like on this day at Christmas Day and Christmas Eve, some of this was done Christmas Eve, and so much goes on to prepare for the different meals of a day, and it'll be really good to just have a look at what everyone else does on a normal day in March. I have a video up of a day in the life of my kitchen in February, and it's got some great feedback and great comments on that video. So I think this would be a fun collaboration, and it's open to all interested parties. And I really look forward to hearing from you all, and hopefully we'll have lots of lovely videos to watch on the day. I spotted this idea of this type of collaboration on Anna's channel, which is Cooking the Books, and she put out the idea of doing a fondue collaboration and just opened it up like this, like I'm doing now. So thank you, Anna, for this idea, and hopefully it'll work out as good as yours did. Thank you all for joining me today, and I look forward to hearing from many of you. God bless you all. See you in the next video. Bye.